Air pollution is a mixture of soiled particles and gases in the air. Vehicles that works on fast fuel, 64%. Factories, 28%. Wildfire and other sources, 18%. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone forms air pollution, it's called smoke. This graph shows that all the natural disasters couldn't reach this amount of carbon dioxide, but after 1915, human activity could reach the highest level of carbon dioxide, and now we have 400 parts carbon dioxide per million. More than 5.5 million people worldwide are dying prematurely every year as a result of air pollution. The World Resources Institute shares a graph that shows cumulative greenhouse gas emissions from 1990 to 2011. United States 16%, China 15%. Iraq is one of the countries has the same problem. The quality of Iraq's air is 72.5% is polluted.
The air pollution caused many diseases. Outdoor air pollution caused deaths breakdown by disease.
40% is ischemic heart disease.
40% is stroke. 6% is lung cancer. 3% is acute lower respiratory infections in children. 11% is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
پیشەسازی و کارگەکان ئەم بابەتانە زیاتر ڕۆڵی هەیە لە مەسەلەی دەرکردنی ئەو دوو کەڵ و بڵێن غازانی کە ئەچنە هەواوە کۆمەڵە مادەی زیانبەخشی زۆری تایە بە تایبەتی بۆ هەناسەدان بۆ کۆندامی هەناسە یعنی بین لەم ڕوا ڕێژەی توشبوون بە نەخۆشی ڕەب بووکە یەکەدا نەخۆشیەکانی هەناسە و تەنگە نەفەسی تەنگە نەفەسێکی زۆریان هەیە ئەو کەسانە بۆ کارەکەی ئەوەیە ئەو زیادبوونی مادە زیانبەخشانەیە لە هەوایە.
On average, 1 acre of new forest can sequester about 2.5 tons of carbon each year. Young trees absorb CO2 at a rate of 3 pounds per tree each year. Trees reach their most protective stage of carbon storage at about 10 years, at which point they are estimated to absorb 48 pounds of CO2 per year. Planting 100 million trees could reduce an estimated 18 million tons of carbon per year. Electricity production accounts for more than 1/3 of US global warming emissions, with the majority generated by coal-fired power plants. A 2009 UCS analysis found that National Renewable Electricity Standard will lower power plant CO2 emissions 277 million metric tons by 2025 in US. Using electric car is one of the possible solutions for the air pollution because the cars that works on electricity don't produce gases which pollute the air. One car produces 4.75 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, so if someone uses a bicycle instead of his car, he will reduce the pollution of the air in his area. Using public transportation, such as train and buses, will have a good effect on the air pollution. Using filter for the factory will reduce the amount of harmful gases in the air, such as nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide.